If you use your fridge water system and it just starts tasting off, you may need to replace the filter. We use these LG ones. We really like these. It lasts up to 6 months. We live out in the country on a well, so it really helps with the different odor and the well taste of the water. So we're going to change this out. Probably depends on what fridge you have as to where the filter goes, but this, I love how simple it is. You just twist this off. This, for me, this pulls out. So here's the old one, and then you can just twist. And you have clear, odorless, non-well tasting water. We definitely recommend these LG water filters.